Lenovo unveiled the Lenovo ThinkBook Flip concept, a laptop with a foldable screen. When fully unfolded, the screen is an 18-inch display. Lenovo also showed off a solar-powered PC, which it says can give the user an extra bit of battery when the device is running low and there may not be access to a charging point. Both devices are concepts, so are not commercially available. Lenovo on Monday showed off a laptop with a foldable screen and one that can get extra battery life from solar power. These laptops are just concepts, meaning they are not commercially available. Lenovo, the world's biggest PC maker, has a history of showing off imaginative concepts, with some becoming reality, so it's worth keeping an eye on what the Chinese technology giant is up to. For example, Lenovo previously showed off the idea of a rollable laptop, one where the screen rolls upwards to increase the size of the display. The company will begin selling such a laptop this year. The latest concepts were unveiled at the Mobile World Congress trade show in Barcelona. Foldable laptop screen. The Lenovo ThinkBook Flip concept is a laptop with a foldable screen. When fully unfolded, the screen is an 18-inch display. The screen can then be folded in half horizontally to create two screens, one on the front and one on the back. The entire display can be folded down flat, so the laptop turns into a tablet-like device. Foldable displays are not new. Consumer electronics players like Samsung and Honor have launched smartphones with foldable displays. Huawei even sells a smartphone with a trifold screen. But foldable screens of this size and on laptops are uncommon. There's plenty more work Lenovo will likely need to do before this can be commercialized, including improving the durability of the display. Solar-powered laptop. The Lenovo Yoga Solar PC is the company's other concept device named after its line of yoga laptops. The product has solar panels on the back. These are able to absorb light. While the PC still works with a traditional charger, the idea is that the solar power can give the user an extra bit of battery when the device is running low and there may not be access to a charging point. Lenovo said that the solar panels can absorb even ambient light in a person's surroundings to give a user an extra hour of laptop use at the end of an 8-hour workday. Magic Bay. Finally, we get to Lenovo's accessory concepts. These accessories leverage the company's modular Magic Bay ecosystem, which currently exists for ThinkBook laptops. Right now, you can attach various accessories like a webcam or a 4G hotspot to the Magic Bay, which is situated at the center top of the laptop's lid. But the new concepts are all about adding more displays. There's the Magic Bay dual display concept, which adds two 13.3-inch 2.8K 120Hz LCD screens flanking around your ThinkBook's primary screen. A kickstand on the back makes sure the weight of the accessory doesn't pull your laptop screen the other way. This concept is hardly new. Portable monitors that attach to the laptop have been around for some time, though their popularity has skyrocketed recently. Lenovo's solution folds down so that it's fairly thin when you stow it. There's also the Magic Bay second display concept, which is a much smaller 8-inch screen designed for placing a messaging app or getting quick access to productivity tools. It's cute and tiny, and perhaps much more sensible for frequent flyers. You won't piss off your seatmate when you pull this out on the flight. Lenovo made several other announcements at the show, like its new ThinkPad X13 Gen 6, which is one of its lightest laptops at just 2.05 pounds, 0.933 kilograms. I held this in my hand, and it did not feel like I was holding a laptop at all. The company also says its new T-series laptops, which include the likes of the two in one ThinkPad T14S and T16, are more reparable than ever with replaceable batteries. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Gadgets Simmyideas Tech Hub on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp for the latest videos on gadgets and tech. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.